Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you are all fine. Today in XENEA Wallet new campaign started and I will provide you all the correct answers of the questions. First of all, click on missions. Now click on the latest campaign, name as Everlyn. First click on daily check-in. Now little scroll down. Here you see a quiz and total 10 questions. Click on start quiz. The quiz number 1, correct answer option number 2. Here you see I earn 100 gems as a correct answer. The quiz number 2, correct answer option number 1. Again earn 100 gems as a correct option. Now quiz number 3, correct answer option number 3. Again earn 100 gems as a correct option. Now quiz number 4, correct answer option number 2. Again earn 100 gems as a correct option. Now quiz number 5, correct option number 2. Again earn 100 gems. Now quiz number 6 and the correct option number 4. Again earn 100 gems. Now quiz number 7, correct option number 2. Again earn 100 gems as a correct option. Now quiz number 8, correct option number 1. Again earn 100 gems. Now quiz number 9, correct option number 2. Again earn 100 gems as a correct option. Now the last quiz number 10, correct option number 2. Click on it and click submit button. Finally, the 10th quiz also correct and receive 100 gems. Click continue button. Here you see I receive 1000 extra gems as all the questions correctly answered. So hopefully you enjoying the video. Kindly like and share my video, and if you still not subscribe my channel, then subscribe it. Goodbye friends.